So the track outing was a lot of fun. When we first started Wolfpen, one of the thoughts was that all of us are enthusiasts, you know, Mark and I, the owners, the techs in the shop, the customers who come in. And so to do something where we've got employees and we got customers and we got friends and I'm out there and we're all just hanging out at the track and going out and having a good time was so much fun. Especially rewarding was Nathan going on track for the first time in his Miata and absolutely loving it. And in part, I felt really proud of that because we were able to recommend to him the right things to do to the car, kind of the bare minimum to get it ready for a track outing. And he loved it. And, you know, I could remember going out for the first time myself. In my case, it was with a Corvette. And that was close to 5 years ago at this point, I think, that I first went out there. I know exactly what kind of experience he had. You know, it's a thing where you say, oh, I want my life to be about this now, and fast forward, now my life is about that stuff, which is kind of crazy to think about. So yeah, I think that part of what we want Wolfpen to be is community. And that means doing events, different kinds of events. Sometimes we want to have people out here for kind of a coffee cars thing in the parking lot. Sometimes we want to have people in our coffee shop when that's open. And sometimes we want to go to the track and have track days. Other times we want to go up in the mountains and have rallies. So to do our first kind of Wolfpen track day and have it be so much fun and so successful was just really, really awesome. It was one of the best weekends I can remember in a long time.